Ah, send 2-3 tires to the market, quick. Ah. Oh, you picked the call.
I took the call 5 minutes ago.
You know, right? I have a hectic work here.
Okay. Are you loading essentials for marriage?
No. I'm gonna send this thing to another place. Now I'm in a leadership position, right?
What I thought was eloping. Why do you need fees for eloping?
I have to give something to them, right? I have a question. Are you not tensed?
You're not coming alone, no?
Yeah, I'm relaxed because Maran is with you.
Brother, this box belongs to this trip?
Leave this one. You can get that in next trip, okay?
Okay, brother.
You asked me something, right?
I'll be okay if you stay like this. If you try to fool and cheat on me, I won't be silent. Have that in mind.
What are you talking about? Why would I leave you like that?
Remember, I have a black coat. Don't forget.
If you remember that, it will be over.
Hey, Joel.
Okay. Be right on time.
Okay.
I'll call you at
take
night.
care.
Bye.
Hey, where have you gone? I've been searching for you.
I dropped my phone in water. That's why I can't call you.
You told me you didn't see anyone.
You take a friend
We'll
seat.
discuss later. Start the car.
Come on,
Get
sit
in.
Fast.
Hey, you are out.
Your father will be shocked, right?
Hello?
I think he must
Am I speaking with Divakar?
No, my name is Purushottaman.
Oh, okay. Varun speaking. I came to see Jwala on the day, right? But you didn't accept a relationship.
What do you want?
That's not the matter. I called you to inform that I got married.
Oh, I'm very happy.
Is something happened to your dad? Huh? He's keep on using the mobile? Is there an endpoint or not?
What?
What happened?
He hanged the call.
That's great.
He hanged it, man.
Don't be scared. There is a way.
Shall I try one more time?
He's running. See, throw to the wicket keeper.
Just tell me one thing. Why did you cut the call?
From morning 4 o'clock, I'm in the shop. Lot of crowd here. You tell me what is the issue.
I just got married with your daughter.
Oh,
Hit it
that's
out.
all right.
Oh, no.
Hello?
Come on, catch it.
Hello?
Put on here.
Hello?
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
I think
What
we
are
don't
you
have any
doing?
problem.
Man.
Huh?
Let's go.
Get in. Oh, sorry. Hey, where are you coming? You go there. Give me that. Adjust your sari.
I'll take a
Hey.
leave.
Do you want to go now? You want to go? Hey.
Mom will see us.
I think it's not possible to get you somewhere. Come fast, quick.
Just a minute. I'll come.
Okay. I will inform you. Hey, Varun.
Huh.
What about the honeymoon?
Super, sir.
Is I'm looking good? I'm looking slim, right? Want to be smart? Is I'm looking good? You are still here. It's already late.
No, I'll just
You may go.
complete it.
I will see it.
Uh,
I can take care. You can leave.
Okay.
I'll take a leave.
It seems he's showing very much interest in you.
What care? Nothing
Brother,
like that.
I was a little bit busy.
Oh.
That's why I can't drop her.
Okay.
I have board meeting. See you
Yeah,
later.
sir. No
Bye.
issues.
You can come to the work with that scooter, right?
Why? If someone is giving me a lift, why should I suffer in sun? Come.